Welcome to the MM360 overview for employees. In these videos, we're going to be looking at the MM360 system in the viewpoint of a phone. Let's go ahead and take a quick tour. In the upper left-hand corner, we have what is called a hamburger menu. This hamburger menu, when we click on it, will open up the side menu that's typically available on a desktop. Inside the side menu, we have our clock in, clock out, and quick access to our time logs for the day, a quick search for looking for active projects, our access to our profile and specific information about us. We'll dig into those later. And then menu items depending on our permission level. Clicking on the menu will close it back and take us back to our default view, which is projects. On the projects view, we have access to the archive projects right here. We can also get to the archive projects by clicking on the menu and going to Project Archive. Same thing, same place. We also have a filter. If we are looking for projects within a specific category, we can switch to that category right here. The search gives us access to that search feature, which is also available right here. Available in both spots. They both work very similarly, where you can type in the name of a project like Tina and be able to click on it and have it take you into the project details. Lastly, if you are an owner level, you can click on this graph icon to view the dashboard. In a future release, this will become its own dedicated menu item. As we go down the page, we can see each project is listed as a card. On this card, we have who the project manager is with their initials and their badge color. Then we have the name of the project's unique identifier number, and then some quick links within the project itself. These take us to the estimates and invoices, this to the project contacts, to the project documents, to the budgets and time and expense logs, the schedule for this project specifically, and the notes for this project. The lightning bolt gives us some quick actions that we can take right here. If for some reason the project looks like it's out of date, you can tell it to refresh the project's data on the server to get the most up-to-date information. This middle bar right here represents the project's current status. These statuses are your workflow and are generally set by the project manager. If you are a project manager, you should be able to click on this status and be able to click on where it needs to go to. Then last but not least, we have the most recent note that was left on the project. And depending on your permissions, you can edit and delete this note. Some groups will edit the notes and just update this note throughout the life of the project, or you can use the lightning bolt here to add a new note to the project, and that will become the most recent note there. Then down here in the lower right corner, we have the chat. The chat is a way to talk with individuals within your group, either directly or in a group chat or based on a project chat. These chats allow you to talk back and forth. It is a fairly limited system, but it does help keep you organized in what you're sending. You can't upload photos and whatnot, but links and whatnot do not work in this chat as of this recording. And there you go. That's a quick overview. Let's dig into the different aspects of the system, starting with your availability.